Hello, this is auto underpinner. Here, all this machine just use this director memory PC to control the vinyl came out to control the framework. Here, the first things of this machine when we get this, we have to fix the moldings. We need to check the vinyl size, confirm the vinyl size. We use all this. Here, like this is 10 millimeter. Just this 10 millimeter. Such as here, this position we can use fix 3 vinyl. Here also 3 vinyl. Here we can fix 2 pieces 10 millimeter vinyls. Here we just choose 3 position like here. This 3 position. And then how to edit the systems just here. The first one is enter. Oh, we forgot. The first thing and the most important thing is that you must know the vinyl comes out from here. List V. You just let a pin shot on the computer here. Pin shot the keyboard. Then now we press it. See, the vinyl comes out from here. Vinyl comes out from here. Now this is the vinyl come out that place. Now you just here keyboard, let's move front, forward and backward here. When you move here, this computer will show you the distance. This here the back side is 0 millimeter. When we move it here, will be changed like this. This position is 15 millimeter from here. That means when we make these moldings, now we just text. Now I just start to edit the systems. The first step is enter. Just use this, and then you can find all the number behind 0. Just become 0. Here all the computer has the 7 position. Here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 in behind. That means like this. The vinyl can come out in the molding's 7 position, and at each position you can fix 5 nails, 5 pieces nails. Now we just added this one. Now we need to try to find this 3 position, this 3 line. Like here, the white one. You find out the white one here. The keyboard is back for back side is 1 millimeter, and here is back for 5 millimeter. Here is up is plus 1 millimeter. Here is plus 5 millimeter for one time. Here we just check, find the first position. Here is 1, 4. Now this position we get here the black line one. Here now we just edit this short number. Short number, that means the pieces for one position. The first position we just use 3 pieces like this here. Short number. Now the number is changed. Now it's 3. Now you just change the second point. The second point like this here. You just use reduce 1 millimeter or the plus 1 millimeter. Just remove it back. Here is the second point. The second point we also use the 3 pieces nail. Here is a short number. Now after the 2, the number becomes 3. Now we just get the last one. The last one here. Here is 34. Here we use the two pieces vinyl, the short number. Now every position now is finished. We just use enter. This green button, enter one. Now the system is finished. How to check it? Let's a button here. MOVE, move. When we press it for one time, it will be changed. You just when we press this, we just check this block if to confirm if it comes out long, just long under this position you choose, like this. Now all the system is finished. Now we just need to adjust this clamp and to press this button. Now I'll try. Here, in this black line, 3 pieces. This second 3 pieces, and the last one is 2 pieces. Just like this one. Just like this system. This one here, when we finish edit this one, we can save it like this here. When we do the next molding, just make it up and then just still the same. This is all the same. Just when we finish this system will be kept in it. And then this is when we get the many design, many moldings. Now we just to make it the number. This is 1, this is 2. Now before I have added for the 1, the first design. Now we just make the system out. Here, let's record. Let's record button is here. When we press it, now record. This is for the number 2 design. Here is number 2. Now we just to find the number 1 design here. First we need to use the record, and then we just to use here. This plus 5 is to now the system is 7. The 7th design. This is 12th design. Now we just find the number 1. Here is this is plus 1. This is reduced 1. This is the first one. Here is 0.001. This is number 1 design. Now we just make it out. When we find the number 1, enter here. Enter again. Read the save data. Yes, and then it will be the first one. The first one now. The thing we need to just adjust here, adjust this clamp. Now we adjust this. We make it cause here is smooth, so we make it in the same level. After we change the moldings, we need to test it if this press can press it, this clamp can press it strong. Here, there's a button. All the computer has this button here. We want this small button, we just press it. Now that it's done. This clamp down and press this moldings, and we need to ensure it cannot move. Now we just press it again to let it go. And then after we make it the first system out, then we need to confirm if all the nail long between this distance between the moldings. Now here again, move, MOVE, this button. You can see the nail block here is moved. When we press for one time, it just move for one time. Okay, now finish. Now we just press this button again to check it. Okay. This is auto underpinner. Here, every computer can use the 7 position. Like this, the first one. The first is for the, when we need to record the systems, we need to use this record. And to plus and reduce and plus reduce to find the one you need. Every machine when you purchase to your factory, you can just make all your moldings to this number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 like this. Here you just can, when you purchase this machine, you just make it at the first time, and after it you just need to recall it to make it out. Here the first and 5, 6 like this. Here is for this recall, and here is for to use the systems we added it before. Here like the first position, the first one. Now I'll make it again. Here enter, read the stable data, yes, and then I make it in this side. Now it's all the same position, like this. And for this, when you use this, you just need to remember when you edit the systems. Here the first one you just need to use this here. Now here is changed. Now just move this, reduce. This is reduce. Now this is plus the system. Here reduce and plus like this. And this left and right is for choose the vinyl. And also about this, the short number is about the one position, the counting the pieces for each position. We need to confirm here. When we press it, it has been changed. For one position, it can use for 5 pieces vinyl. Here 1, 2, 3. If we get more, do not worry, you just press it again. After 5, it will be 0. When it becomes 0, this means this position won't be fix any vinyls. This one, and this is the speed. The speed one, I'll show you. This speed, this button just can control the work speed. Because sometimes some moldings need to do it very fast because it's small, and but some moldings is very large, so we need to do it slowly. So just to think. Now we need to do it very fast. We have a large production. We need to do it very fast. Now we just try it again. Now we just make the first. We recall to the second. Just recall to the second one. Now this is the second system. Enter. Okay. Now we just try. This is the speed. Speed is 8. Now we just press it again. Now become 1. The 1 speed. Now we just check the speed. Here like this. Now we just change it here. 3 speed. Is faster. Here, this is for to make control this speed, and for this one, this pin shot is to find if the vinyl can work with this machine well. When we put this vinyl in it, here we need to press this pin shot to try to find if the vinyl can come out easy. If the vinyl cannot come out easy, that means this lead vinyl is problem. Come out smoothly, that means this vinyl is perfect. Like this. Here is the MOVE is to find it if this vinyl, this system is moved between this vinyl, this moldings like this. Here, just like this. Finish.